Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, I think the last video on that 229 that arrived, the repair has held. It's working absolutely perfectly. I've oiled the motor, I've oiled the paint, and I'm going to put this on a rail with a consist. I'm going to take it around and run it. So, like I said, I straightened that drawbar. It was really much. All right, let's see how this goes. I'm on the, fourth rail. There we go. Zoom, zoom. All right, let's give it 50% power. This thing is just gliding around this rail. This is running so well, as you can see. So I'm happy with it. 22 bucks and the repair of that truck. And thankfully that worked. It's really a shame that someone broke this old locomotive. But as you see, it's up and running again. So I gotta say it, don't overlook the junk. This was $22 in a run-down secondhand store. And the guy was happy to get rid of it because it was broken. And I was more than happy to buy it, especially for 22 bucks. So anyway, I just want to do a follow-up video. As you see, this whole locomotive is running absolutely splendid. It's smooth, it's quiet, it's powerful, it's very heavy, and it is intact and running. So I'm really happy with it. Always fun to get a really decent locomotive at a really decent price. You couldn't ask for better than $22 on this. Anyway, I just wanted to do a follow-up video. Got the paint oiled, as you see, so I'll leave this on the rail overnight. By tomorrow, this is going to actually look quite good. The numbers are still nice and bright. It's complete. It's intact. It was dirt cheap, and it's up and running. So just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.